since I watched the dance comp at Annex, and I watched, oh god, it was Gray's partner dance to a song like from Mufasa. I was like immediately like, wow. I was like, wow. I finished watching Beastars today. Shit was gas, but I feel like I haven't showered in a week. I think Beastars is overrated. I've actually been watching this show. Here, I'll show you guys the picture of it. Oh my god. This is a show I have been watching. Look at this. Have you guys seen this show yet? Has anyone watched this so far? This one. Cyrus is so tilted by Mufasa. Have you guys watched this show? It is so good. Hey, story 6 for the 42 months. Nope, only like 6 episodes are out right now. Dude, I love this show so much. It's made by Mike Judge. It's directed by Mike Judge, who also directed King of the Hill. And it's got, you know, dude, I don't know, it's just really good. Astorius, 6 for the 42 months. God, I love Astorius so much. Dude, Astorius, thank you so much. I love Astorius. I hope you have been well. Wait, why was Cyrus tilted about Mufasa? Is it a bad movie? It's making me not unsure if I want to watch Mufasa. Mufasa. He loves Scar. Well, does it portray Scar in a really bad light? I mean, I think it kind of does, right? Isn't he like a little simp in the movie? I think he is, isn't he? Oh my god. I mean, it's not meant to make Scar look good, is it? That's what I was thinking. But yeah, that's yeah. It probably makes Scar look really bad. I heard he's like an incel, but I haven't seen it. Dude. That's crazy. Okay, give me the live action remakes, not great, but the story is so good. I see. Okay, also guys, this is your hourly reminder to enter the raffle, okay? Will you please enter the raffle? Unless you hate my art, that's fine too. You can just say, Juice, I don't want to enter the raffle because winning art from you is worse than anything. And I would be like, you know what? You're right. Play. Hi, Aisha. Alpha Wolf Amarok, hello, how's it going?